Example 2. Using your handout from your teacher, graph the points provided in the table and then answer the following questions. What is similar about this graph and the graph from the challenge? All right, let's switch colors here. Let's go to green. We're going to go back to our handout. And example 2 is at the bottom. So we have a table they've given us, and we're going to graph these points. Now there's some wording down here. You can scratch it out. I couldn't quite get that cut off from the picture. All right, so 0, 6, 3, and then up to 9, which is in between these two, so it's going to have to go in between the two lines. 6 and 12, 9 and 15, and again 15's in between, and then 12 and 18 right there. All right, so we're going to connect these. That looks like a pretty straight line. All right, so what is similar about this graph and the graph from the challenge? So if we're comparing this graph to that first one we did in the exploratory challenge, we're looking at what is the difference. So here, let's do this, maybe it'll help. Compare these two together. Okay. So our difference with this one is, see, these are both straight lines, but this one goes through that origin at 0, 0, and this one does not. So this graph doesn't go through 0, 0. Are the ratios of the quantities the same? So if we were to take this and compare each of these, is it the same? So 6 to 0 is undefined. You can't divide by 0. Okay, 9 by 3 would be 3. And then 12 to 6 would be 2. So no, they are not the same. No, they are not the same. So describe what our graph looks like. It is a straight line. But doesn't go through 0, 0. From this example, what is important to note about graphs of two quantities that are not proportional to each other? So for this one, if it's not proportional, it will not go through 0, 0.